Make cold brew coffee in minutes with the Dorothy Rapid Cold Brewer by Presto. A tornado spins coffee grounds through the water to make cold brew fast. It's smooth and flavorful with no bitterness because grounds are never exposed to high temperatures. The Dorothy Cold Brewer is easy to use. Insert the stirring cup into the carafe and place on the power base. Add water. Select the brew speed and watch the tornado form. Gradually turn the dial until the tip of the tornado extends down to the top of the stirring cup. Pour in ground coffee and let it stir to your desired strength. 10 minutes for a flavorful lighter brew, 20 minutes for full strength, or up to 30 minutes for ultra strong coffee. Turn off and let the brewer rest for about 5 minutes. Then attach the plunger with filter and press down slowly and evenly to filter the coffee and move grounds into the stirring cup. Pour over ice and add milk, cream, or sweeten to taste and enjoy. When you're done, the plunger automatically attaches to the stirring cup for easy removal. The Dorothy Rapid Cold Brewer, a fresh spin on cold brew by Presto.
Cuisinart masters the art of toast making with the Cuisinart 2 and 4 slice motorized digital toasters. With wide toasting slots, 7 shade settings, and 6 bread types, you'll be able to toast each to perfection every time. The memory set feature simplifies your routine, giving you the option to store and select your favorite settings for customized results. The leverless design operates at the touch of a button. Press the activation bar down to begin toasting. The motorized carriage will lower the bread into the toasting chamber, and the toasting will begin. Countdown bars will flash to indicate remaining time, and use the Quick View feature to monitor your progress. Use the Add 30 Seconds button to extend browning. Press the Cancel button to stop the toasting process and automatically lift the bread. The defrost function is a longer cycle designed to first defrost, then toast to the desired shade. The Cuisinart motorized digital toasters also have the single function to toast a single slice of bread. The large LED digital display with countdown timer will beep when toasting process is complete. The 4-slice toaster has a dual control panel that gives you the option of toasting breads on different settings at the same time. With removable crumb tray and wraparound cord, cleanup and storage are a breeze. Master the art of toasting with the Cuisinart 2 and 4 slice motorized digital toasters.